This is how your Himiway Cobra looks when you open the box. Here is a side view to show you the secure packaging. Time to start snipping. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the stem bolts. Insert and align your handlebars. Reinstall stem bolts using a star pattern. Next, grab the front headlight and bolt. Now insert that bolt through the headlight into the pre-drilled hole on the fork. Tighten using an Allen wrench, but make sure you have something in the back to hold the nut in place. Connect wires using the arrows to ensure there's no bent pins. Use a 15mm Allen wrench to loosen the fork shipping bolt. Prepare your quick release skewer. Always best to apply some grease. Remove cap and spring and prepare for wheel installation. Next, align your rotor into the caliper and make sure the axle is in the fork dropouts. Add some tension and close your quick release clamp. Power up your pedals, but first grease them. Make sure you locate the left-right indicators so you install them on the proper side. Hand tighten pedals and get your pedal wrench. Take your pedal wrench and reverse pedal to tighten forward. Shift up and down all gears multiple times to ensure proper shifting. Take a moment to admire your new ride. And then take it for a spin. Riding the Himiway Cobra without power is much easier than expected. But riding with the power on is much better. Your e-bike comes pre-programmed as a Class 2, but you could change that up in the settings.